Hello, in front of me I've got Peugeot 2008. In this video I'll show you all comfort features installed in this car. Let's start with the driver's doors. The car is equipped with electric adjustment for mirrors and folding of the mirrors. Next, this car is equipped with automatic lights and cruise control with speed limiter. Take a look in the center. Right here we can find the parking brake, drive mode switch and hill start assistant. Also here we can find seat heating for driver and passenger and dual zone climate control. Under we've got the hidden drawer and two USB-C ports we can use for connection and charging. Take a look at the screen display. The screen display has multiple features. Firstly, we can manage phone, mirror screen and application drawer. Here we can play games like 2048, we can manage climate control, ADAS settings and more. The car is equipped with myPeugeot voice assistant that will help you control the car, and also it has Android Auto and Apple CarPlay wireless connection. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.